Sometimes progress is noisy. And progress is happening at the Mvskoke Dome, where an all-new hardwood floor is being installed and new seating coming in November.
Right now, as you can see, we're putting down a maple floor, and we expect that to take about 4 to 6 weeks. And November the 2nd, we're scheduled to start the seating installation, and we expect that to take about a week. So when all is said and done, we're going to have some nice chairs to sit in for any event that you attend. We're going to have a nice hardwood floor featuring our seal in the middle of it. So it's going to be a really nice facility when it's done. We went, I feel like, with the best flooring system available, and it's going to give the ball more playability. So we think it's going to be a very sought after venue.
Tourism and Recreation hopes that with the new floor comes more opportunities to host revenue-generating events at the Dome.
We're hoping maybe one day for a county tournament, maybe any kind of scholastic events, AAU events, anything like that. We've even had some people express some interest in league play. So and with the seats and the new floor, I think it'll be pretty appealing to everybody.
Work is progressing steadily, and they look to be fully operational in a little over 4 to 6 weeks.
They do this exclusively, from what I understand. The vendors have been great to work with so far. They've all been right at or ahead of schedule. So we're hoping that trend continues with this. And I think, middle of November, we should have just about everything completed. So we're hoping to be in full swing again about that time.